Yeah, hi Isha. Welcome to the session. We will wait for others to join and then we'll be starting the session. Yeah, thank you.
Hi, sir. Thank you,
Oh
sir.
yeah. Yeah, hi. Yeah, hi everyone. So we will be starting in like 3-4 minutes. We are waiting for others to join, and once everyone joins, then we'll start. Thanks for joining. Okay, team. I think we can go and start the session. And meantime, if others are available, they can join. So I will start with my introduction and then I will request if all of you can introduce yourself quickly. That okay, what is your background and how comfortable you are into the Oracle Apex, like you're completely new. Oh, and along with that one, if you have any specific questions, right? So you can just let me know that also. So that okay, we can discuss. So myself Vijay, I have around 10 plus years of experience into this IT industry, and where I have delivered various end-to-end implementation along with like I have worked on various trainings also. So and my tech comprises like Oracle, Apex, OIC, VPCS, PaaS. So like I am working on Oracle PaaS side along with the Fusion also. So by using all these technologies, I have delivered various end-to-end implementation project. So yeah, that's a quick introduction about myself. And then now I will request if you guys go and start. So who will be gonna first?
Hi Vijay, good morning. My name is
Yeah,
Gopalakrishna.
yeah,
I'm
hi
having
Gopal.
a total 14 years of experience as Oracle Apps technical consultant. Yeah, I'm new to this Apex and basically I'm working on EBS now and in our project like we are using the Apex. So that's the reason I'm joining the class to
Okay.
learn the Apex. Here you said we are going to cover means how to integrate with Oracle means EBS also or only it's a we are working with Fusion only.
No, no. So Oracle Apex is kind of independent, right? So you can go and use it anywhere. So, like for Oracle database, right, what it is a database application. It means if we have the Oracle database, on top of that one, we can go and create our UI designs and all. So for that purpose, Oracle Apex is. So now in the EBS, right, we already have the database, correct?
Yes,
So there
yes,
only it will be like the workspace will be created and it can be used. So there's no dependency that okay whether it is a cloud or whether it is a fusion or whether it is a like normal. So we'll be starting from very basics and then like we'll show you that one steps also. So it's a database only. So on EBS database, Apex will be there and there you will be creating your application. So in your case, there is a possibility that okay you will be using existing EBS tables only, which is already created. So on top of that one, right, you will just go and create the design of the UI.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Who's
Hi,
gonna take? Yeah.
yeah, hi Vijay. This is Nanesh Kulkarni. So I'm having 9.5 years of experience in Oracle Apps technical consultant. So I worked on OIC as well as Oracle Fusion technical part as well. Now, like I'm exploring Apex because of like kind of project requirement. Previously, I used Apex like to trigger Oracle integrations, but only that part. But apart from that, like I'm not much aware about the Apex, so like I'm exploring on that one. So I would I hope like this training would be helpful for like to get the deep dive into the Apex and to develop the like different various applications as well as reach UI using the Apex.
Yes.
Also, as Gopal Krishna mentioned, he's working on Oracle EBS. So same case for me as well. So I'm also need to create the Apex pages to connect with Oracle EBS. So kind of that means. So that's what I want to like explore more on this one through this course.
Yes. Okay, okay. So like we are starting from very basics to the
Yeah.
advanced level that okay what all the Oracle Apex concepts and techniques we can go and use to create that one. And as I mentioned it, it could be any database. So EBS will already have the Oracle database. So on top of that one, right, it needs to be just created the Oracle Apex and then
Oh,
we are good to go. If we
okay.
go
Yeah.
with a fresh environment, then what happens, right? In that one, we'll be creating our own database first, and then we'll be creating the applications. So
Yeah.
it could be anything. Yeah.
Yeah.
Who's
Thank you.
gonna next?
Um, Hi, my name is Lakshmi, and sorry I joined late, so I don't know if anybody has already asked this question, but I was wondering if this course covers for Fusion SaaS cloud, if it's on cloud, do you use REST APIs integration and everything in Apex? Does this course cover that?
Yes, so we will be covering that REST API concepts also. So in few Oracle Apex, right? Either we can go and have our own database. So it means we have our own REST data tables and everything, and data will be
Yeah.
sitting into that one, and we can create the application on top of that one. Another is like we can go and use the external data. So that through REST APIs, right, we can take the data from external systems, and on top of that one, right, we can create that applications. So yes, we will be covering the REST APIs also. That okay, how we can go and use the REST APIs in Oracle Apex.
Okay, so with that REST API, we can also use Fusion SaaS REST APIs, right?
Yeah, we will be using the Fusion only. Like we will be using Fusion
Okay,
supply REST APIs. So like how
okay.
we have
And
the
yeah.
suppliers into our Fusion, same thing we'll try to do that, insert, update, and create like the report.
Okay, perfect. And I have one more question. I mean, if there is requirement that we need to do extensive JavaScript and all that, is that covered in this course? Because the newer version probably doesn't need all that. But like if they have a older version and they might want to use a lot of JavaScript and also Apex packages and everything. So all that, is that covered in this course?
Yes, we will be covering the Apex packages wherever we need it. So what happened, the whole training is going to be the hands-on based. So I will be creating
Okay.
one project like pause application, and in that one it will be seeing that okay how that end-to-end project will be delivered. So in that one it will be using the JavaScript, also will be using the Apex packages also. So I will be showing those things.
Okay. And one more question. Sorry, this is the last one.
No, no, no issues,
We
please.
are we going to yeah. So are we going to use the latest version of Apex for this course?
Yes, we will be using the latest version, and that is the recommended thing from the even Oracle, because then only you will
Okay.
able to get the latest features. Because there is no point that okay someone is using the latest feature and you will be using like 4 year 5 year back version to make the same things manually.
And you will be showing how to set it up on OCI, even though we might not have access, but just show how to
Yeah, I will.
set it up in
Yes,
OCI.
yes, I will be showing. Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Who's gonna next? And again,
Hi,
team who are completely new, don't worry. We will be starting from very basics. So in the questions and session, right, don't see that okay if someone is asking tough questions or difficult thing, right, which maybe you have heard first time. So no need to worry. We will be starting from very basics to the advanced. So don't say that okay you feel left out, that okay I don't know these things. So how I will able to cope up? We'll be starting from very basics. First we'll see introduction. What are the components? What are things? And then we'll do the hands-on project. And in that one, right, you will able to get everything. Yeah, please continue.
hi everyone. My name is Isha, and I have completed my masters in AIML recently, and I'm new to Apex. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
thank
Yeah.
you.
Hi, good morning all. I'm Deepika and I'm a UI UX developer. I want to learn how to develop the real-time application in Oracle Apex and understand both the design and database integration parts.
Okay, okay. Yeah. So as I told, right, like we'll be creating that end-to-end implementation project like the POS application. So you will get like all the features and like the real idea that okay, how in real world, right, the projects used to be done. Yeah. Who's gonna next?
Hi Vijay, this is Vali. So I have around 10 years of experience as a Oracle Labs technical consultant. So I'm new to Apex, but I want to switch my career EVs from EVs to Fusion side. So as a step, I'm first initially going to Apex.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. So we'll be starting from very basics as I already mentioned that Whether you know some concepts, whether you are completely new, no need to worry. We will be starting from very basic foundation, because if our foundation is strong, then tomorrow we can go and work on any application. But if we don't have the foundation itself, then it would be difficult. So initially we'll be seeing that foundation, all the things, that what it is, why, and then we'll be go and start the project. So you will get the both the flavors.
Okay, Vijay. And the question which Lakshmi has asked, so the latest version and the previous two versions. So you will want to cover the concepts in the old version, how it has been replaced, and with what functionality it has been replaced in the new releases also, right?
Yes, yes,
Because
I will show. Yeah, I will show you
because
that. Okay, where it will be.
the vendor may not use the latest version. He may use the previous version, not the latest, but the previous. So from previous to new, what changes has been taken place, and the old
Yes, I will be
version has been
showing.
how it has been replaced, and what with new what functionality.
Yeah, I will be showing that place, that okay. So in Oracle Apex, right, we have the inbuilt functionality only, where like you can go and see that okay, with this recent upgrade, right, what all things will be impacted. So you can go and check that one, and then only it will be mentioned that okay, what are the steps we need to go and take to achieve that one. Again, with the latest upgrade, your application will not break. But what happened, right? It's kind of like additional features only will be there. So in the Oracle's official document release, you can go and check that okay, in this quarter release or in this upgrade, what are the new features got. Your application, if you're in the lower version, it doesn't mean that okay, your application will not work. It will work as it is only. There will be nothing break. But what happened, right? You can go and enhance that one by making that additional things.
Okay,
Okay,
so
who's gonna next?
So,
Yeah, Vali. Yeah, sorry.
adding to that point, Vijay. So when you're going for, so when a client wants, currently they are going with 1.1 version, and now in the market for Apex we have around 1.7. So they want to upgrade their application. So that activity also will be taken care, right, in these
Yes.
sessions.
So if your application on the cloud, right? So what
Yes.
happen, right? It will be auto upgrade. No need to do any steps, anything. Because
Okay.
Oracle itself will take care of that one. Because every 3 months when they will come, right? They used to upgrade that applications, whichever on the cloud. If your application is on the legacy, right? For example, on the EBS platform and all, then it is your
On-premise.
DB responsibility who will go and get the latest version, and he will go and update.
Okay, so you will going to give the steps what to be performed if apart from DBA, the technical perspective from our side also to be taken care.
Yeah, I will just get some steps and I will share those in case if I will able to get. Normally, like that activity is not Oracle Apex developers' responsibility, because
Okay,
as a developer, right, will not get the DBA credentials or DBA access.
okay,
So
got it.
DBA will do that activity, and that's not the responsibility of the Oracle Apex developer. But yes, in case if I will get some steps to do that activity, I will be sharing.
Thanks, Vijay.
Yeah. Who's next?
Hello, Vijay. This is
Yeah,
Nikhil.
yeah. Hi, Nikhil.
I have, I have around 3+ year experience in Oracle, SQL and PL SQL as well. And right now I'm working in the Oracle Apex. But I want to deep dive in the Oracle Apex as well. So then I can deliver some code development tasks.
Okay, okay.
And I want to know about the details about this course as well, and how much duration will it take. Yeah.
No, you want to know about what? Your voice is little.
Course details. As I
Okay,
go
course.
through your course details, so
Okay, okay.
how
Yeah.
much take a
Yeah, yeah,
time. Yeah.
we will be covering the course details and everything. So I think everyone introduced. If anyone left, let me know if I'm missing anyone.
Sorry, me, Lakshmi again. I have one more question I didn't ask,
Yeah,
if
yeah,
it's okay
please.
with you.
Yeah, yeah, please.
Yeah,
Check.
I just wanted to ask if you also cover like deployment and CI/CD and everything.
Okay, so for deployment or migration, we have the thing that okay, we can export our application and we can do.
Yeah.
CI/CD we don't have as an inbuilt functionality for the Oracle Apex, so that options we're not using. But yes, for
Okay.
migration, what we need to do, right, that I will be covering. That okay, when we have to move from lower pod to higher pod, or like from development to SIT UAT, from there it will be to the production, right? So yes, those things I will be mentioning that okay, how we can do the migration activity.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So I think we are done with the introductions, and if I'm missing anyone, please let me know. You can just let me know. Otherwise, like I will be sharing my screen and we'll go with the some topics and like concepts of the Oracle Apex introduction and all. So let me just share my screen. Okay, so again, welcome to the Oracle Apex training. So before start, if I will say that okay, as per you, right, what is Oracle Apex? If anyone wants to answer, what is Oracle Apex or what is your understanding about Oracle Apex? Anyone, it's okay if it is correct, wrong. There is no correct and wrong answer. It is just our perception. So if anyone wants to answer, what is Oracle Apex? Or what is your thought process about Oracle Apex?
Oracle Apex is like a low code, like you don't have to code at all. Like you can just use drag and drop and create applications quickly. And sometimes if it you can you don't need any new license or anything for Apex. You can install it on a database, or you can use cloud ATP database, or even free workspace. So it's very convenient. It's for database developers. It's very convenient to just switch to Apex.
Correct. So it's correct only, but like we'll just go in detail that okay, what actually it is. So the official definition of the Oracle Apex, right, which we got from the product development team is like Oracle Apex. First of all, what is the full form of Apex, right? It is nothing but Application Express. So we call Oracle Apex, right? So that Apex is like the full form is like Application Express. Now, it is a low code development platform that enables you to build scalable and secure enterprise applications with world class features that can be deployed anywhere, right? So what is the meaning? So we'll break that whole definition. So low code development platform. So what is this low code development platform, right? So if you remember, right, if I will say that, okay, you have to develop a web app, what is the first thought will come into your mind, right? It will come that, okay, we can use HTML, CSS, JavaScript. If you know some little advanced, you will say Java, React, Angular, Python, right? So all those things will be mentioning. But what will happen in that case, right? We will be writing the code from the scratch. It's our responsibility to do everything. We need to download some libraries, we need to run boilerplate code, we need to go and write some logic and everything, right? So whatever code you will write, that will be used, right? But in Oracle Apex, right, what happened? We know no need to do all those things. Components are already there. We just have to use those things by writing no code or very minimal code, low code. So that is the definition of the low code development platform. Because we are into the generation where the development should be faster. No one will be sitting or like waiting that okay, you will deliver the project in maybe 6 months or year, right? Everyone needs a faster responses. So how that faster can be done? That to give whatever the repetitive, whatever the things, right, we can go and achieve by reducing the code, right? So those things we can go and do. So due to this reason, right, Oracle Apex is a low code development platform that okay, components are there. We just have to use those things so that okay, our development process could be faster and we can deliver the solutions faster. Now we can say that okay, we are not writing code or we are writing very minimal code, then there would be for some limitation, right? That okay, we will not able to achieve something. So there's nothing like we can go and achieve each and everything. If we know all Oracle Apex concepts, we can go and achieve anything. There's no limitation. What you will able to do in the other programming language, right? By writing your custom code, same thing you can go and get into Oracle Apex also, right? So we can go and build world-class features. So whatever the feature we need, right? We can go and implement everything. Now your application will be automatically scalable. How? Because Oracle Apex is nothing but we used to call as a Oracle database application also. So your Oracle Apex will be setting on top of Oracle database, and Oracle database is like if you have the auto scale, right? You just need to scale auto database only. So there is no separate code or nothing you have to write to make your Oracle Apex scalable. Your DBA will go and increase that storage and everything. Or if it is on the cloud, right? So in the cloud, we used to get that option of the auto scaling. So if your application at any point of time will get all the traffic, right? So behind the scene, it will be auto scaled automatically. No need to do anything additional for that one, right? So it is a scalable and secure. Now, when we do any implementation or create application, security is our responsibility, right? But in Oracle Apex, what will happen, right? Security is kind of a inbuilt only. No need to worry about anything. Whatever applications will develop, right? So that will have the same level of security what Oracle is using for its own products. And we don't have to do anything for that one. Whether you create a simple hello world page or whether you create a complex application, it will both will have the same level of security behind the scene, which we are not doing. That is already delivered by the product development team, which is already there by the product development team. So due to that reason, right, our applications will be secure enough. Why that security is coming as an inbuilt only? Because for example, I am the developer who has 10 years of experience into this Oracle Apex, right? So I know in and out everything. But if you are starting your journey, right, and when you will work on one project, right, what happened, right, you will not be aware about all the security and everything, right? So what happened, right, whatever you know, based on that only you will go and implement security. When it comes to me, I will go and implement the security what I know based on my 10 years of experience. If somebody more than my like senior, right, for example somebody with 20 years of experience, they will be using better security compared to me. So what will happen in that case, right? It's like developer dependency. So due to that reason, right, security Oracle has taken with him only that okay, we will be giving that inbuilt security so that okay, developers no need to worry whether they are fresher, whether they are experienced, everyone no need to worry, no need to write additional stuff for to make your application secure. It is like behind the scene automatically will be there. Now, right? So it means our application is scalable, our application is secure, and we can go and implement any features without writing codes or very minimal code, and that can be deployed anywhere, right? So we can go and use the on-premise systems, we can go and use the cloud systems, right? So we can go and develop deploy anywhere. Only the thing which we need is like it should have the Oracle database as that. Once we have Oracle database, right, whether it is a legacy, whether it is a cloud, whether it is like non-Oracle cloud, right? So it could be anywhere. Only if Oracle database is there, right? On top of that one, right? Oracle Apex will be available. And without any extra license, without any extra costing. So whatever the costing will be there, that is only your Oracle database. Whatever license you will have, right? That is the Oracle database you have. But for Oracle Apex, no need to do anything additional, licensing or additional costing, anything. Nothing will be there for the Oracle Apex. So that is the complete information or like high level information about the Oracle Apex, that okay, what we can do or what Oracle Apex is. Any questions, anyone? Okay, now I will go to the next slide. So let me just go. Now, what is like before Oracle Apex, right? Or before this low code, how we used to do, right? So as I was already mentioning that if I will say that, okay, we have to develop one app, right? What is the first thing will come into your mind? HTML, JavaScript, CSS, React, Angular, right? So all those are nothing but the traditional coding, right? So the things which we used to do earlier, still we are doing. It's not that okay, we are not doing, but yes, like that's the traditional coding we used to call. In that, what it will happen, right? High control. It means everything is in your control. Whatever code you will write, that only will be application. Now, for that one traditional coding alternative, it came as low code. So in the low code, what will happen, right? The productivity will be increased. So Oracle Apex claims that, okay, you can go and develop the applications 20x faster in Oracle Apex. So it means like if suppose some application you are developing in 20 days in other programming or traditional coding, right? So that same thing you can go and achieve in a day or two here in Oracle Apex, right? By writing 100x less code. It means you don't have to write the same code what it you need to write in traditional coding, because here components are already there. We just have to use those components, right? So that's what, in the low code, what happened, right? Our productivity will be increased because we are not writing everything from the scratch. But in the traditional coding, right, we will have a high control. It is in our control that, okay, what logic we need to do. Now, is Oracle Apex is only the player in the market for the low code? No, there are other players also. Microsoft, like we have from the Microsoft, we have the Power Apps. From Salesforce, we have Lightning Platform. We have App Maker, OutSystems, Mendix, and from Oracle, we have one or more, Oracle VBCS. But why Oracle Apex is more famous in all of these? So as I was mentioning, right, there is no extra license or fees for Oracle Apex. But in other, right, what happened, right? You have to go and pay additional prices based on the number of users, based on the traffic, based on the like consumption or traffic or resource utilizations. But in Oracle Apex, right, no need to do anything for the Oracle Apex. In Power Apps or in Lightning platforms, right, in some of the one, right, you have to go and pay based on the number of users. How many number of users are using your system, right? So based on that one, you have to go and pay the price. But in Oracle Apex, it's not like that one. Even Oracle's own VBC, right? So that is also not free. For that also, right, you need to have the paid version of the OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. Then only you can go and use, right? So that is what we have. That, okay, Oracle Apex is differentiating from others. Now, in traditional coding, right, what was there, right? High control. In low code applications, we don't have that high control. But Oracle Apex is giving us that capability also. It means Oracle Apex is giving us all three capabilities. No code, there are some components, there are some features. We don't have to write even a single piece of code. We can get that functionality as it is. Then low code. It means we will be creating the component, but how the data will come, right? So we will be writing minimal code. For example, I need to create one report, right? So I can go and use the component of the report. But in that one, right, how the data will come, right? So that query, that table name, right? So those things I need to. So that is a low code. It means minimal code will be required. That, okay, what all columns we need from this table? What is the logic we need to do? That, okay, our report will be there. So that minimal code we need. Then if you are the person who knows the things in like good, right? Like you can say that, okay, I'm the JavaScript developer or pro. I will be writing my own code. Yes, you can go and do that one. That is your responsibility. So Oracle is giving us that high control capabilities also. It means if you want to write your own code, everything from the scratch, you can go and do that also. Again, Oracle doesn't recommend that, okay, you should go with that one, because if you are go and writing your own code from the scratch and all, right, what happened, right? It's the same thing, right? Why we came to the Oracle Apex? To reduce this time, to use the existing functionalities, right? When we are writing our custom code, then it is our responsibility also. But Oracle Apex is giving us that capability also, that, okay, in case if you want to achieve something, right, by writing your own code from scratch and all, right, you can go and do that also, right? So Oracle Apex is giving us all three capabilities: no code, low code, and high control, which is not possible in other low code platforms. So due to that reason, right, Oracle Apex is high in demand. If you see, right, at this point of time, why Oracle is like Oracle Apex is great in demand. The first thing is like companies are moving from legacy to cloud solutions, right? So when they are moving from legacy to cloud, right, whatever earlier development they have done in the forms, right, in the legacy applications, for the legacy application with the help of Oracle forms, so all those things we need to recreate. And what is the solution for that one? Oracle Apex is a first platform that okay we can go and use those things in the Oracle Apex. So any questions till now if anyone has? Okay. Now what are the distinguishing characteristics of Oracle Apex which is differentiating it from others, right? So first of all, why it is a app development ID is a web browser. It means to do the development, right, we no need to download any software, anything. It is like web browser based. Whatever the code, right, directly we'll be writing on the server. So we just need the internet, we just need the web browser, and we are good to go. So there's no local development that okay, we have to install this software, we have to install this code editor, then we have to write our code into local. Whatever the code we'll be doing, that is directly will be on the server. So we just need the web browser. Earlier, what used to happen, right? We used to develop the code into our local, right? And then we used to upload to the server. And then when we upload to the server, right? So those things will be like deployment activities. Then like we will get those issues that that okay, it was working into our local, but now it's not working on the server when we are moved to the code. So here directly we will be doing the development on the server itself. So there is no activities of the deployment will come in the picture. So those that deployment time, right, will be reduced automatically as we are not doing any deployment activities explicitly from our local to server. Next is like app definitions are stored in the database as metadata. So to create that application, whatever the metadata will be there, right? Application name, any information. So all those things will not be stored into any file. It will be in the database. Now we told that okay, right? Every 3 months Oracle used to upgrade their solution, right? So what happened, right? In the upgrade, right? Why your application will not break? Because your all the metadata informations are not created as a file. Those are available into the tables. If suppose it was in the file, right, what happened, right, when you have done so whatever the configuration came that time only those will go and work. But as your application informations are stored into the table, right, so what happened, right, in every upgrade your application will not break, right? So that is the feature that okay our application why it will not break in the case of Oracle upgrades. Next is like the response of the page, right, which developed in the Oracle Apex is faster compared to the normal. Why? Because normally like what happened, right, for example you have one screen, in that one you will click into submit button. What will happen, right, the request will go first to the server. From server it will go to the database to do that necessary actions. Then once that action is done, the response will come back to the server that okay activity is done, and then from there it will come to you, right? So what happened, right, it is like multi stop points are there to do that activity. But in Oracle Apex, right, as your Oracle server itself is a database or database is the server. So it means your server or database is only one thing. So whatever the request you will send, right, that is directly will go to the database or server, whatever you want to call it, and from there directly the response will be coming, right? So it is like one request, one response only. In other cases, what happen, right? Request will go first to the server. From server, it will go to the database, come back to the server, then it will come to the client. But here, as that already everything is on top of database, all the processing will happen there, and that will itself only the server, right? So our page responses are faster compared to that multi-stop request response process, right? So these are the things why Oracle Apex is again great in demand, which is not possible in other things. So what Oracle claims is like you can develop your applications, customize and deliver. It means you can go from prototype to production in minutes. Why? Because pre-built controls are there for the security, authentication, database interaction, validation, session management. All those things are already there. You just need to focus on your business logic. If we are writing the code in other, right, as I mentioned that okay if you have to use the database, right, we need to go and write some activity that okay how your front end will be linked with the back end. But here front end and back end, right, both will be on the Oracle database. So directly you can go and do that one. There is no separate additional code you need to go and write that okay your front end will be interacting with your back end. correct? So that is what we have. Now, nowadays, right, in the market, right, what we have, right, we have a number of screen sizes are available in the market. Someone use like big desktop machine, someone will use laptops of different screen size, then someone will use tab, and someone will be using the phones of different screen size, right? So we need to make that our applications responsive as per all the devices. So all Oracle Apex applications are auto-responsive only. No need to do any additional coding by the developer to make that application responsive across the devices. If someone will open that same application into the desktop, like that application will look like this one. Somebody will open into the tab, it will look like this one. Someone will open into the phone, it will be look like this one. So it means your application will be auto responsive as per your screen size. It will not that okay you have to make additional code, or you have to adjust the screen that okay this is for the desktop application, we cannot go and do into our local. Now, before going further, right, we will be seeing that okay, now we've seen that okay, what Oracle Apex, what all things it can go and do. But I wanted to see also, right, that okay, what other in the community or like other developers has developed from the Oracle Apex, right? So we can come here and what happened, right? There's one website built with Apex. If you go with, so this is a website. Again, this is not Oracle's website and all. This is there in the market, one website. In that one, right, you will get that ideas that okay, what type of Oracle Apex applications developers are developing in the market. So you will get some idea here. If suppose I will say that okay, you have to develop Oracle Apex application, right? Or for example, some of you are starting your career into Oracle Apex, but you don't know, right, what will be the output, what will be the end goal, or what all things you go and wait. So if someone will say that okay, this is also possible, somebody has delivered this also, somebody has delivered this also, so what that will give, right, that will give us the perception that okay, yes, what all things are possible in the market with the help of Oracle Apex. Or tomorrow when I will become the Oracle Apex developer, right, when I know the concept, what all things I can go and achieve, what are things I can go and do with the help of Oracle Apex. So you can come to this built with Apex, and here, right, whatever the applications in the market are delivered with the help of Oracle Apex, you will get that one, right? So if you see, right, somebody has created the hospital management system, right? So Life HMS somebody has created. Then if you see, right, somebody has created the e-commerce application. You can click into this one, you can go and open that also. So if you go and see it, this is that application which is developed by someone on the Oracle Apex. If you see it, this is on the Oracle Apex. So these are that application, right, you can go and develop with the help of Oracle Apex. You can go to this Life HMS. Then somebody has created the training center. Then developer blogs, like blog website is created with the help of Oracle Apex. Then someone is creating financial health management. Portfolio maker is also done. Somebody is creating the schedule, school management system. Now if you see that, even Oracle is using Oracle for its product. So if you see that, this is Oracle's developer community discussion forum. So if you go and see, right, so this is the official page of Oracle Apex for the community, which was done by the Oracle Apex. So if you go and down in the bottom right, you see built with love using Oracle Apex. So whatever you are able to see, right, so this is done by the Oracle Apex only. Refresh again the page, it has not loaded completely. So this is what you can do. So if you see, right, even Oracle is using Oracle Apex for the development of its own official website. Then this is also one more Oracle official website, official Apex ideas. So as I was mentioning that, right, every 3 months Oracle used to release new products and new features, right? Now as a developer, suppose I need something, right, how I will able to reach out to the product development team, or I want that okay, at least they should know my idea, right? So this is the website what we have, Apex ideas. So what happened, right, we can come here and we can submit our idea. So if you say, so everyone is submitting, add CSS class to interactive report column, auto select, enhance, right? So everyone is giving there. So whenever Oracle used to start planning the next release, right, So what happened? They used to take the ideas from the Apex ideas also. That okay, what community need? Because if you are the person who is working with for the Oracle product development team, you can go and say that okay, we need this feature. But if you are working in some other company, how you will able to reach out, right? So this is the platform, right? You can go and submit your ideas. Now, is Oracle really taking ideas? These also? Yes. So if you go and come here, right? These are the new submitted ideas which are in the open. If you go and click into this delivered, right? Delivered. So see here, suppose somebody has requested this one. So this was available in 21.2. This was delivered in 23.1. This is delivered in 24.2. Delivered in 24.1. Right? It means once Oracle release that idea, right? What happened? They will mention that okay, this functionality was requested by someone and this got delivered into in which release. Then these are the upvotes, right? You can go and ask your team to support or give the upvote so that okay, it will be coming in their picture like attention for the product development team. But again, that is not the criteria that okay, whichever idea will take more votes, only those will be considered for the implementation. It's not like that one. If you see right here, somebody created on only that person was created upvoted, so that got also delivered. This is also one vote. This is 27 votes, right? So it means that is not the criteria that okay, product development will not review your ideas. They will be reviewing each and every idea irrespective of the votes. Yes, what it can have, right? It can be taken first if you get more upvotes, right? But they will be considering all that options. Then somebody has created the portfolio. If you say it, nowadays what we have, right? We used to share our resume and PDF, right? Resume is in the PDF and all. And people started developing their websites or web apps, right? For them to share that one, right? So yeah, this person has created the portfolio, right? So if you see, this person has created the Oracle Apex only. Then daily expense tracker. This person also created the portfolio. Then document management system. Again, one more portfolio. Even the website which we are able to see, right, built with Apex. So this is also implemented with the help of Oracle Apex only, right? Shopping online. So again, there is no limitation that okay, what all things we can go and do. Again, it is up to us only that okay, what we'll able to do. If you see right, cooperative management system. This is again one more official Oracle application. Oracle Labs. This is also again one more official application from the Oracle only. Online schools, right? So from this one, right, you can go and explore that okay, what all things community or in the market Oracle Apex is used for. Now we can go with for the official website apex.oracle.com. It will convert it into another. So earlier it was apex.oracle.com as the official page. Now it is oracle.com/apex. So this is the official page of the Oracle Apex. So now if you see it, it's not that okay in the market, right? Only developers and all are using. Even the companies are using Oracle Apex for their day-to-day activities or to deliver the solutions. So you can say that okay, which all companies are using in the market. So yeah. So if you said customer success stories, you can come here and you can see. So if you see it, NRI has created Oracle Apex for their financial services. Then Manage created in 4 months using Oracle Apex. 10x faster with Oracle Apex, right? So you can say that okay and click into this one. It will redirect you to the another page and there you will get that okay how Oracle Apex has helped them to achieve their solutions. It's not that okay only Oracle is using or only the developers are using. Even in the market, right, bigger players are using Oracle Apex for the development of their activities and all. So you can get the success stories from here for the Oracle Apex that okay what all things are possible with the help of Oracle Apex. Now you can click into get started. Here it will redirect us to the different page. So what happened, right? Where all we can go and use Oracle Apex, right? So we can go and use a Oracle Apex in the free environment also, because Oracle Apex has given us the free training or free workspace for our development purpose. Now that free workspace should not be used for any real projects and all, because the admin access with the product development team. If tomorrow they will say that okay, they want to stop their database and all, right, you cannot go and ask or claim that okay, my application is running or my client's code is available into that one, please go and share with me. They will not share, because they already mentioned that okay, the free workspace is only for the learning and to upskill you. It's not there for only client work or actual deliverables. So always do the actual deliverables on the client environment only. But yes, as a developer, like if you are starting our career, right, we cannot go and get that cloud or paid versions and all. So for that one, right, Oracle Apex has given the free versions also. So this is what the high level idea of the Oracle Apex. Now the project which we'll be covering, right, I will just go and show you that project high level. We'll be covering in detail that one also. So it is, so we will be using the custom authentication for our application. So I have created my own authentication mechanism and we'll be using that one. And this is that pause application project will be doing. And all the concept, right, will be learning by doing hands-on here. So it will have the charts, it will have that numbers and all, right. Then we will have the different types of pages, the interactive report, interactive grid. So this is our interactive report. We will have a form, we can create the new records, we can go and update the records. So all these capabilities will be seeing, and in this one, right, we'll be seeing that switch action, file upload and download, LOVs. So whatever the possible things will be there, right, which you can go and expect in the real project, right? So we will be covering. So I have designed this project in such a way that okay, in real projects, whatever you need, right, in each and every page, right, we'll be covering some new features and all. So that okay, if you say parent, child, child of child navigation is there. So like that one, if you have to go and implement, right, how we can go and do that one. Then we'll be seeing the interactive grids that okay, within the table itself, if we want to make the records, right, how we can go and do those things. Then we'll be seeing that okay, if suppose reports and forms we have to create on the same page, right, how we will able to do. Then we'll be seeing that okay, if we have to do the parent child relationship, right, that okay, we'll have the master detail and we'll have the child informations, how we can go and do, right. Then we'll be seeing the dynamic forms, how we can go and do. So somebody asked, right, how we'll be using the Apex packages. So for this one, right, we'll be using the Apex package, that Apex item package will be using. Then we'll be using that okay, for the purchasing, right. So again, like it's kind of a different pages will be there in real project, right. Like for example, if this is pause application, right, so what all things, some admin activities will be there. Then you will be purchasing your items for the store, you will be sale, you are doing the sales for that one, right. So all those information you need to capture. So we will be designing each and every page into a different way, so that okay, you will know that okay, how those things will be possible. And in the interactive grid, right, we are not using the seriate functionality, we are using our custom buttons, and this we are able to achieve through JavaScript. Then we'll be seeing in this, now in this one, right, the create page will be different and the update page will be different. How we'll have the multiple buttons, multiple icons, color and all, right. So we'll be seeing those things. Now when we go to the sales page, right, we'll be seeing that now if you see it again, this page, right, how we can create the tabs and all within the application. Now in this page, right, whatever the data you will go and store, right, so we are not storing the data into the table. This is like we are storing into the temporary data, temporary location. Once you will click into create sales, right, then only your data will go from your temporary location to the main information, main tables. So we'll be seeing all those things that okay, how that can be achieved. When change of anything, right, so like on this one, right, once you do, all your values should come. when you change that quantity, right, your total price will be calculated. So it means like on your actions, right, some other action will be triggered. So dynamic actions and all. Then we'll be seeing that, okay, how we'll be creating the charts and all. So this project will be dividing into four phases. First we'll be covering the admin, then we'll be covering purchasing, we'll be covering sales, and then at the end we'll be covering the dashboard. So this is that complete end-to-end project will cover, and by using this one, it will be using all the features. So that's all from my side for today. I think we have the time also, and we'll continue tomorrow further here from here, like the course content. We'll go through the course content and like we'll be seeing other things. So if anyone has any specific questions and all, so now we'll be taking the Q&A. So any questions, anyone?
Yeah, basically, how many days it will take for the course? Like, how many sessions it will be required?
Yeah, so normally we used to go around, it will be like 30 to 35 sessions used to go for this one. So it can be plus minus again. So, but normally like on an average, it will go for 30 to 35 hours. It used to be 40 hours kind of a course content, 40 to 45. And that will be, we can complete within a 30 to 35 sessions.
So, time will be always from this
Yeah,
7:30
this time,
to.
yes, 7:30 to 8:30, 8:45.
Okay.
Any other questions if you have?
So for this one, like we can call this REST APIs also, right, for the OIC.
Yes, 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 yes.
So
So this is the one
we
project
will
we'll
get
be
the
covering.
access for this.
What
We
can
will
you
get the
repeat again?
access for. See, in Apex we can use the REST APIs for the SaaS if we want to
Right.
show the data from the SaaS or something like that. So we will get the OIC access also for this one to for the development
OIC
means
access?
tracking purpose.
Why we need OIC access? Directly we can use
Basically,
the directly we you can use the Fusion in the Oracle Apex. So
okay.
Fusion access will be required, not Oracle OIC.
Okay. For example, if we want to use any report from this Fusion and we want to display those information in the
Yes.
Apex, means how we are going to do that?
Yeah, so in that case, yes, we need to do that one. Like, so for that one, there are two ways. Either like SOAP services, we can call through REST APIs directly, or we can use that OIC in between, and then OIC REST APIs we can go and use.
Okay.
So whether it is OIC REST APIs, Oracle, or Fusion API, right? API concept is going to be same. Only it will be like in between from where it is coming. So your target will be changing. Because tomorrow, today we can say that okay, Fusion we are using. Tomorrow it can be some different system, right? So REST APIs are
Yes.
going to be same. The way how we can use the REST APIs that is going to be same. Only endpoints will be changing. Only the data will be changing.
Okay. And basically, a few of the REST APIs will have the different kind of authentications. Like in OIC, we have a basic authentication and OAuth too,
Yes.
OAuth authentication.
Yes.
So, are we going to cover that authentication, how to connect authentication also from
Yes,
here?
yes. So when we configure, right, that options will come. So if you are using basic authentication, you need to go and give username password. If you are using like auth, right, we need to give the corresponding information. So I will be showing that, okay, in the so that's like configuration thing. When we do configure it, we have to tell the system that okay, what type of a security mechanism we are using.
Okay. As I asked you in the means in the beginning, like we are going to plug into the application, means Oracle application, or we are doing the standard Oracle applications here, Apex.
No, first like any application if you develop, right, you we have to develop as a standalone only. Once that
Okay.
application is developed as a standalone, then if you want to integrate or embed that application into your Fusion, right, we can go and do. So for that one, we have the steps. I will be sharing that, okay, how you will embed your Oracle Apex application into the Fusion.
Yeah, you're saying that you will be sharing that steps. Are we going to show that one sample registration also, or how you're going to?
Yeah, it's the same thing. If you like, I will be sharing the steps. You can go and perform. If you find any difficulty, or like maybe you say that okay, we need in the session, we can go and do that activity in the session also.
Okay,
Because in
because
that one, right, it's
we
not the development we will be doing, it's the same steps. So those steps we have taken the screenshots and all, and we have given step by step because it is the same. Whether you create any application you will embed, right, you have to go and follow that same steps. We have to create a sandbox into the Fusion. Then we have to create the page integration. We have to get the URL. We have to embed that URL, and that's all. So we have
okay,
documented so that okay for your future references also, right? You can go and use.
okay, thank you.
Any other questions, Steve?
Yes, Vijay. So, like, in order to perform, like, for the training, are we using the Apex service on OCI, or like free license copy of that Apex separately,
Yeah,
like free
so it's
workspace?
completely up to you. If you
Okay.
able to create the Oracle Cloud account, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You can go and do practice on the cloud account. And as Oracle Apex is free for the lifetime, even in the cloud.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
you can create your account, you can use Oracle Apex and develop their lifetime. There's no charges until unless you will upgrade your applications. If you
Okay.
don't have that one, you want to try out on the free workspace, that is also there. So that's what like
Okay.
whether anywhere you are doing the development, right? Free
Yeah.
workspace, OCI or legacy, that EBS and all, development is going to be same. No need to learn two different things. That okay, on EBS I have to learn different concepts. On cloud I need to learn different concepts. On free workspace
Okay.
it is a different concept. Everywhere the development is going to be same.
Okay, okay. And like in latest versions or latest example, we see like Apex is like morely integrated with the AI related stuff in the OCA, right? Means to connect with the Oracle Digital Assistant or any agentic AI like that. I have seen like many of these AI applications use the Oracle Apex as a user interface, like
Yes.
chatbot window or like that. So like, are we covering the any use cases or any scenario like in our during our training?
No, I will be showing the things that okay where you can go and configure. But like
Okay.
to do the hands-on and all right, we need the paid account for that one because AI services are paid, right? We cannot
Hmm.
use the free ones. Like there is no free AI services. So I will be showing the
Hmm.
steps that okay where you will go and configure and how you will be using. If anyone will have the paid services and all, maybe I can show you, but will not be covering the hands-on session because those will be the paid activities.
Okay.
So, but I will show you the places that okay, in case when you will do the development or like when you need to utilize, right, how you will able to utilize.
Okay, okay. And also like eager to see in scenario like where we have to connect the database outside of that Oracle Apex internal database. Like Oracle Apex have internal database as a Oracle autonomous database, correct?
All right.
So outside of that database, like are we covering any example? Means like suppose that is a
So that is the
database
REST API. That is the REST API thing.
through the REST API only, right? ORDS
Yes.
and REST API, correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So
So
are we covering any example in our like during our
that is the
training?
REST API will be covering. So in your
Okay.
target database, right, you have to create the REST APIs. So for
Yeah,
Oracle
yeah.
Apex, wherever you will do, right, for that one, it
Mhm.
will be just REST API. Whether it is a database REST API, whether it is like some other REST API, REST APIs are the common topic.
Okay, okay. So that REST API will cover that is not limited to the like any Oracle database, but it can be like Postgres SQL or MySQL
Anything,
regard
anything.
anything, right? Okay.
That's what REST API is like in between.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Correct. That is a
So
layer.
that's a
Correct.
common thing, right? Whether
Yeah, yeah.
now in that REST API, from where you are pulling the data, or like where you have
Hmm.
written that REST API, it is through
Okay.
Java, it is through Python, it is through PostgreSQL, anywhere, right? For Oracle
Okay.
Apex, it looks like REST API and the way of interaction will be similar.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, and I saw like examples as you shown built with Apex that website, right? So I can see like there are a lot of websites can be like initially like I thought means it's can like purpose of that Apex is like to build the internal application like organization internal applications, but seeing that example we can see that like it can have like a rich UI as well as scalable kind of things as well that can be
Yes.
incorporated in that one, right? Means
Yes.
any other.
So it's completely up to you for what
Yeah, yeah.
purpose you are using. Oracle
Yeah,
doesn't say that, okay, this is the restriction or do only
okay.
for this one.
And also you have mentioned that it has capability like no code, low code as well as fully controlled, right? So we can build any web app like similar to what we by using the technologies like Node.js and all like that. So similar like that kind of heavy application also we can build in Oracle Apex, correct?
Yes, yes, any application you can develop,
Okay.
it's only your database will be the which will matter. If suppose you are
Okay.
creating very heavy application, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So it will be on top of your database. So if your database
Hmm.
is have enough resources and all right,
Hmm,
your
hmm, hmm,
application
hmm.
will never break and all. But
Okay.
if suppose you have created very, for example, if I will say that you have created a Facebook application
Mm-hmm.
and you will use only 20 GB on one CPU, your
Yeah.
application will break.
Correct. Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. So there is no additional code we have to make our application scalable and that one. It will be
Mm-hmm.
your database configurations.
Okay. Okay, okay. And like for this training, do we need like prerequisite as a JavaScript or anything? Means like,
No, no,
uh,
no. It's
okay.
completely, that's what like Oracle says that okay, use its own components only. So
Mm-hmm.
when you are
Okay.
using Oracle Apex components only, no need to write anything and all. Yes, basic database knowledge is needed. Like you should know how to write the select statement, how to write that
Okay.
update, delete and all. That is the basic thing we need because if you're creating some activity, right? Some action we
Mm-hmm.
need to do. So that is a basic thing. But again,
Okay.
JavaScript and all those things is when as you grow in your career, right? You
Mm-hmm.
may need that one, but as that is not a prerequisite that okay, without that you cannot proceed. I have developed
Okay.
that applications in my career without using a single JavaScript code and all.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, got it. Yeah.
Yeah, because in that case, what
Thank
happened,
you.
right? Even tomorrow, if something will come, right? Oracle supports you that yeah, you are using my
Mm-hmm.
component. But when it comes about the custom code, it is your responsibility only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, fine, Vijay. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you, team. Any other questions, if anyone? Okay. So if no question, then I think we can wrap up the session today here
One,
only.
one,
Yeah,
one
please,
last
please go.
question.
Yeah, yeah,
Like,
please go.
what are yeah, the classes will be from Monday to Friday, or how it is going to happen?
Yeah, it will be from Monday to Friday. And on weekends, if everyone is available, we can go and do that one. But again, that is completely everyone's availability. But yes, Friday to like Monday to Friday, it will be there.
Okay.
Hello,
Thank
Vijay. Am I audible?
Yes,
Yeah. So we have a approval flow functionality as well because in Oracle we have workflows, right? So the same way
yes,
we have any standard APIs in Apex where we can
yes.
go
So
with the
in
approval hierarchy
Oracle
part.
Apex, yeah, in Oracle Apex also we have the workflow design. So we can go and implement the workflow flows in the Oracle Apex itself. So we will be covering that also. So we'll be creating one leave application, leave management. So in that one, right, you will be applying for the leave. It will go to your manager, then your manager can go and approve or reject. So yes, that leave approval kind of a thing workflow will be creating.
Thanks, Vijay.
Yeah. So as I mentioned, right, we'll be covering one pause application. With that one, we'll be covering all Apex concepts and all. Then we'll be creating another application, the supplier management application. In that one, we'll be using the REST APIs of the Fusion. That okay, how we can get the data, how we can create the supplier, how we can update the supplier. So that we'll be covering. And another is like we leave a approval application. In that one, we will be using the workflow. That okay, how we can design our new workflows and all in Oracle Apex.
Okay, Vijay.
Any other questions?
Hello, hi Vijay.
Yeah, hi Nikhil.
That's audible. Yeah. Actually, we will receive the recording session of this class this course session.
Can you repeat again? Recording sessions will be?
Will we share it to us for
Yeah, yeah,
all
it will be.
classes?
Yeah, it will be shared. Like all sessions will be recorded, and it will be
Mm-hmm.
with you for the reference that okay, you can do that hands-on later point of time, or if you want to refer some topic at the later point of time, so recordings will be shared with
Mm-hmm.
you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Any other questions, anyone? Okay, so if no question, then I think we can wrap up today here only. We'll be connecting tomorrow same time. Thank you all.
Thanks, Vijay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.